Acha. Adiva,
Yes.
did you understand the solution I gave you? The binomial one.
Sir, I haven't checked it yet because school exams.
The school exams are going on. What today also you had exam?
No, sir, I have one tomorrow. Like it's alternate. They've given one day gap.
Acha, tomorrow which exam you have?
The chemistry.
Oh. Hmm. So then let me complete let me complete this director circle and this tangent, subtangent and all. And you have no problem na, if we continue the class today.
Sir, is anybody else joining or not?
Don't know. Haripriya should be joining, and that Kanishka, I think she has not seen the message. It means she may be absent. I don't know. Yesterday, day before yesterday, she said that I have exam. I think her exams are going on. Should we cancel?
Sir, okay. I'll then have to do more practice for the UT.
Okay, na? Because only or let me complete the small concepts. Acha, Haripriya joined. Okay. See, again, see Diva, if you have to practice for your exam tomorrow, it's not a problem. If you want, you can leave. But if it's only 1 hour, after that you have so much of time.
So actually, thermodynamics is coming, and it's like my least favorite chapter.
Thermodynamics.
Yes,
You
sir.
can do one thing. Actually, I have covered thermodynamics. It's there on YouTube. If you want, you can watch that. It will be covered quickly. If
Okay,
you
sir.
want. Otherwise, if you want to revise, it's okay. Thermodynamics, how much is coming?
So the full chapter is coming.
Full chapter means starting from the this to the Carnot engine and all.
So the NCRT level things will be coming only.
Oh, kinetic theory of gas is not there, no?
No, sir.
It's easy only. What's the problem?
Sir,
First,
even pressure.
numerical. Hmm. Hmm. When is your exam? Tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Like I've done the general part, but I'll practice more.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Today I'm going to cover the concepts: this tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, and one more, the director circle. After I cover those concepts, if you want, you can leave. Okay? Because
Okay,
after
sir.
that we'll be doing some problems. So the tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, what it is? Actually, I am also not feeling that well because you will feel I'll be coughing because yesterday night also it was too much. Yes, I was actually my throat is not well because of the cold.
I was about to join yesterday and you messaged me, sir.
Hmm?
I was about to join yesterday and you messaged me.
Yes, actually, what I was thinking, na, I was thinking that I take a medicine. Sometime when this kind of thing happens, na, I take med because the weather here is not good in Delhi, Noida. So much of pollution and that too with the this one cold is it's different kind of cold. It's in the beginning only it's very high. So what is happening is actually we are getting some this cough and cold type of problem. Even though this air purifier is there, but still. So yesterday, actually, what I do now, I take the one Ayurvedic medicine is there. That's what is name. Very good one. That I take, and yellow color. This is there. Very good one, Ayurvedic. So I take that one tablet. I take, so it affects. And usually yesterday, what I thought. Yesterday I took other classes. Two other classes I have taken before you. After that, 5 to is up to 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. After that, I thought taking the medicine it will be okay, but it became worse. I was not able to. If when I talk, I'll be coughing like this, so it became difficult for me. Then I said, we cannot. We have to pause the classes. अच्छा tangent normal subtangent subnormal. See, whenever we have this kind of parabola, this Kanishka is also, I think she has the exam. Yesterday she had an exam, and tomorrow she also may be having an exam. This is tangent. You know, you know this one. So that's why I'm saying after this, after covering the concept, I may be giving you questions to solve. This is tangent. Acha, this length na from A to P. Suppose this is A. This point is P, where the tangent to the parabola is drawn. This AP is known as the length of tangent. And similarly, if we draw normal P to this B, this PB is known as length of normal. And if you draw perpendicular from point P to this axis, this AM, this length AM is known as length of subtangent. And this MB, if we take, this is length of subnormal. Achha, one more thing I wanted to inform you. In the next week, next week, I may not be able to take classes from for Monday or Tuesday, I think. because I have to go somewhere and that's urgent, and it won't be possible for me to take the classes on those days. I'll inform you, I'll message you, but I think Monday and Tuesday won't be possible. If possible, I will try to take. Otherwise, most probably it won't be possible. Okay. And this is starting this Friday. This Friday also I won't be able to take, because from Friday morning I have to go, and then till this Monday, Tuesday. So you will miss 3 classes. That time you can, because your exams are going on, that time if you can use to practice your questions of the topics that are already covered. If you get the doubts, you can send me the doubts. I may be able to solve, but classes I may not be able to take. So this is length of tangent, the length of normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal. Now see, we know m is equal to tan theta because slope is the tan theta, and that is dy by dx. Now your task is to, can you find out the length of tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal in terms of, if you take this point as x1 comma y1, point P as x1 comma y1, length of subtangent or these 4 in terms of dy by dx and x1 y1. Do it quickly. Are you doing it? Achha, see, let me do it fastly. We know m is equal to tan theta. This distance is y1. This distance is x1. I'll be using this y1 only because x1 is, it won't help. So to find out this AP, what? Y1 by AP will be equal to sine theta. So AP will be equal to y1 by sine theta. We know from this that tan theta is equal to dy by dx. This is dy square plus dx square. So sine theta will be y1 by dy upon root over dy square plus dx square. So y1 by अच्छा, it will be y1 into root over 1 plus dx by dy whole square. This is the length of tangent. Or you can write it that way also. dy by dx whole square plus 1 by dy by dx whole square whole root over y1 root over 1 plus m square by m square, or y1 root over 1 plus m square divided by m. Like that also you can write. So AP is equal to y1 root over 1 plus dx by dy whole square or y1 root over 1 plus m square by m. This is the result. Similar to this, can you quickly find out what is the length of normal? Anyone? I want PB. दीवा तुम कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
जल्दी जल्दी कर लो, इतनी जल्दी कंप्लीट कर लोगे फिर उसके बाद लीव कर देना वाली, फिर पढ़ने लग अपना पढ़ाई कर लेना बस, क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन वाला पार्ट है इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ तुम्हारे कॉन्सेप्ट ना मिस हो जाए. PB is what? PB will be what? See, this is 90 degree. This will be 90 minus theta. So if I talk about this, it will be y1 by sine of 90 minus theta, which is cos theta. So y1 secant theta will be the length of normal. If you want, you can find it out. PB is equal to y1 secant theta. Secant theta will be what from this triangle? Root over dy square plus dx square by dx, y1 root over dy by dx whole square plus 1. This is your PB, or y1 root over 1 plus m square you can write. Actually, you cannot write like m square. Don't use this formula, the m formula, because dy by dx, it is, the m is controversial because m is dy by dx at a point x1 y1, but we are not using that. Dy by dx you cannot write just like that.
So we should use the formula in the trigonometric formula.
In trigonometric form, or this dx by dy. Just do the dx by dy and then put it. Actually you can use also, not a problem, because the tan theta that we have, defined na, actually it is dy by dx at x1 y1. That point is only, the problem is I did not write that one. It's okay if you write, no problem. Sorry, you got confused. You can use. See, you like I have calculated AP and PB na. In the same way, get me the value of AM and MB. The AM will be, you are not able to do actually. Today you are very slow. Y1 by AM is equal to tan theta. So y1 by tan theta, AM will be equal to y1 by tan theta. So you can write it as y1 by dy by dx, or y1 by m. Easy. So I'm not doing it completely. It was easy. That's why. Length of subnormal. Again this one. Y1 by tan of 90 minus theta. So it will be cot theta. Y1 tan theta, I think. So it will be y1 dy by dx x1 y at x1 y1, or y1 into m. Okay, these are the results you can use. Actually, I did not want to means it's not needed that you remember these results. What is needed is that you know what a tangent, length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, or length of subnormal is. That you should know. And you should know how to calculate it using dy by dx. Okay, clear? Should I move to next concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Haripriya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, the next concept is director circle. What is director circle? Director circle is what is that? What is that? Do you remember what is director circle in the circles I have told you? It's the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. Tangents which are perpendicular to each other. See here, I want you to derive two results. Locus of this point you have to find. Do you remember what was the equation? I'll ask you to assume 2 points P and Q. One is, you know, 8t1 square comma 2at1 you can take parametrically. Other you can take as 8t2 square comma 2at2. Do you remember what was the equation of tangent at the point? No, you x minus yt1 plus at1 square. X minus yt plus at square was there. And for this other tangent, it will be x minus yt2 plus at2 square. Now, quickly give me the point of intersection of these two lines. I want this R, point of intersection of two tangents. Till now, I have not put the condition, perpendicular condition. I just want you to give me the point of intersection of any two random tangents at T1 and T2. Solve these two equations, two line equation, and get me the point R. Do it by yourself. I am solving it here. Y is equal to A into T1 plus T2.
Yes, I'm getting this. Till here.
X minus yt1 plus at1 square is equal to 0 is there. So I'll put x value of y t1 into a into t1 plus t2 plus a t1 square is equal to 0. So x minus a t1 square minus a t1 t2 plus a t1 square. See how easy it became. So x is a t1 t2. This formula I want you to remember. Point of intersection of two tangents. point of intersection of any two tangents is a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. This result I want you to remember. Now what is there? We have to find out the director circle. So we need to put the condition that these two tangents are perpendicular. If you see, what's the slope of this tangent 1? m1. Can I write 1 by t1? Because for the line ax plus by plus c, the slope is minus a by b. If you use it for the tangent equation 1, it will be 1 by t1. Correct? Now the slope of the second tangent will be 1 by t2 similarly. If they are perpendicular, m1, m2 will be equal to minus 1. So 1 by t1, t2 will be equal to minus 1. So t1, t2 is equal to minus 1 is the condition for perpendicular one. Tangents are perpendicular. Now if they are perpendicular, t1, t2 is equal to minus 1. And we have to find out the locus of these perpendicular tangents only. This point, how it moves. What is this happening? So if you see properly, the point of intersection of tangents is a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. Don't worry about a into t1 plus t2. This a t1 t2 is minus 1. So a into t1 plus t2, a into minus 1 will be minus a. Correct? So here the x coordinate is becoming minus a. Don't worry about y coordinate. Y coordinate can be something else. So we can easily write x is equal to minus a. What is happening? We can easily write x is equal to minus a is the locus of our point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents. That is x plus a is equal to 0. And if you remember what is x plus a is equal to 0, it is directrix. So the director circle of the parabola is line, which is directrix. Directrix of parabola. Okay. Over. Now you can leave. Diva. Concepts are over. Parabola, all concepts are over.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. Haripriya, no doubt, na?
No, sir.
Okay, should I give you a question now?
Yes.
Try solving this. Your exams are over, na, Haripriya?
I think I'll be having them again in December.
December. December, yeah, okay. Almost our syllabus is also almost covered. We have covered SHM, na? SHM is done. No, na? Gravitation is done.
We have completed SHM.
We have completed SHM, na?
Yes.
SHM is done. Gravitation is done. We will start fluid mechanics and properties of matter, then heat and mass transfer, and then sound. Okay. We'll be able to do easily. But important thing is, Haripriya, are you solving the questions? Are you solving the questions from book or from your only NCRT?
No, sir, I'm solving it from the book. Haven't touched the NCERT.
It's better because 11th marks are actually not at all important. You need not have to worry. See, the problem with you will be that because you scored very high in class 10th, so your parents will be expecting you will be scoring very high in class 11th also. It's well if you score, but I say it is not at all important to focus on this CBSE examination right now, 11th, because 11th marks are not at all added. Just focus on how much you can improve yourself up to advanced level in each chapter that we are completing, both for maths and physics. Try to reach up to the advanced level. Okay, you are comfortable in mains. Okay, solving them. After solving them, try to do the advanced level questions. So whenever you have time, whenever I do not take class, or sometime like yesterday I could not take that time as an opportunity to solve tougher questions, because you are not sending me doubts of advanced level. So I'm getting the idea that you are not solving advanced level questions, because there are students from YouTube also, they are sending me doubts. Means the student who are learning in LN and all other institutes, they're not able to solve questions there, so they send me doubts, and regularly I upload them on YouTube. So keep solving advanced. Try to reach up to advanced level. Even though you want to become doctor, if you are if you are able to reach advanced level, na, by default, these all things will become very easy for you. This is how our brain works. If you try to do tougher level, the below level gets easier. Achha, I have given the advanced question. Try to see if you are able to understand this. Just understand it. Once you have understood, try to think of an approach to solve the question. If you are getting both, solve it. If you are not getting the approach, ask me. See, the problem was there was a student, Nayonika. Nayonika mom, you know, na? Haripriya, do you know Nayonika?
No, sir.
You don't know. Actually, the ma'am that you that suggested you, na, that suggested me to you, she knew this Nayonika. Actually, Nayonika in the last year she joined very late. When she gave her exams, first mains, and she was not able to score well. And then I tried to improve her. She could not reach up to advanced level because time was less. She was not comfortable in mains only. After mains, she joined. But when talking about you, you have so much of time. It's class 11 and then class 12. And from the beginning only, I'm teaching up you to that level. So try to go up to advanced level. In the beginning, if you become comfortable, it's not easy. But if you in the beginning, if you become comfortable, later it will help you a lot. See, when I tell you about myself, now when I used to prepare for IIT JEE, my aim was always advanced only, cracking advanced. So from the beginning only, what I used to do, whenever I used to go for coaching, they used to teach me concept. After I come home, na, I used to attempt only advanced level questions. In that case only, I used to go for the mains level when I'm not able to solve the advanced questions. And I used to feel very happy when I am able to solve advanced question. Now see that level I have reached. It was not easy to solve advanced level questions, but sometimes it used to take one day, full whole one day. But because my aim was to crack IITs only, I used to solve only advanced level questions. My friends used to go for mains and easier engineering exam question solving.
Sir, I came down to it's either option A or D.
A or D?
I don't know how to go further from that.
D is correct actually. D is the correct one. You are not able to solve it correctly. Totally, no?
Yes, sir.
See, let me show you how you will solve it properly. If a chord which is not a tangent to the parabola has an equation and midpoint is hk, you remember that formula, the chord equation of chord with midpoint as x1 y1. T is equal to s1. Remember? See, I'll show you. Wait. This one. The last class, in the end, I told you T is equal to S1.
Hi, sir.
This formula only. So this one, we have midpoint as h comma k here. They have given it is equal to h comma k. So what will be the equation? Y by 1 minus what is 4a will be 4 is equal to 4. It is 2a into x plus x1 minus is equal to y1 square minus 4ax1 we have. So here in this case, yk minus 8 into x plus h is equal to k square minus 16h. This is the equation. But they have given this is 2x plus y is equal to b. So let me write the x all the constants in everything. It will be 8x minus yk plus 8h. Oh, acha. K square minus 8h will be equal to 0. This is actually similar to 2x plus y minus p is equal to 0.
Sir, wouldn't it be plus 8h?
Why? I'm taking minus 8x to the right side. No?
Yes, sir.
So if we want to equate it, we must multiply this with 4. It will become 8x plus 4y minus 4p is equal to 0. Ky plus k square minus 8h. And if we compare them, 8 by 8 is equal to 4 by minus k. What is this? Is equal to 4p by 8h minus k square. So I can write k is equal to 4 I am getting. K is equal to minus 4 I am getting. You said which one? D, na? No.
No, sir, I said either A or D.
But both of the answers are wrong.
But that's the only two options that satisfy the equation of the line.
Sure.
Like we'll get 2h
plus k is equal to p.
This point lies on this. 2h plus. Okay, very good. Actually, smart move we have done. 2h plus k is equal to p. This b is not satisfying. P is equal to 2, h is equal to 3. B is also satisfying, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
Problem is we've got the value of k.
Then it should be option B, right?
How? K, acha, 2h minus 4 is equal to p you'll get.
Yeah,
So,
because C doesn't satisfy and we are getting K as minus 4.
now by substitution you'll get it. No need to solve further. Or otherwise, if you want to solve, this is one equation. Another equation is 8h minus k square is equal to 4p. K is what? Minus 4. So it's 16. 8h minus 16 is equal to 4p. You solve them. No. This is that only we are getting. No. Nothing. You have to just substitute and find out. That's why they have given multiple options, I think. This was very easy question actually. See, these kinds of questions are also they are asking in advance. Just formula based. If you know this formula, you'll be able to do. Okay. In the next class, I'll be starting this ellipse. But Haripriya, probably Friday class I won't be able to take because I have to go. In the morning only I will go. And I will tell you about the next week, the coming week now. It's difficult for me, but I'll message you. Probably from Wednesday or Tuesday, I'll be able to take your classes. Okay? Otherwise, I'll message you actually. I will have to see the situation because it's problem, emergency condition. I have to go there. In the condition, I'll see there only. Okay? Yes, I'll inform you. But this Friday, I won't be able to take the class. Tomorrow physics class will be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.